Good afternoon, Dean Davison, live weatherblogs.com meteorologist here. We're taking a look first at this blizzard that's going to be affecting the areas up in Philadelphia and up through Boston, Massachusetts, New York City. We're talking blizzard conditions. This is the latest mesoscale discussion here. You can see they're talking about blizzard conditions, Monmouth Ocean, Burlington, Cape May counties. I'm trying to pull up a live camera for you here in this webcast of Cape May. I've been looking at some of that, and it's been coming down hard. Philadelphia starting it now too, with the heavy snow. the blue dashed line down here, where you see 18 and 21Z, where you're going to have the blizzard-like conditions, if not blizzard conditions. We do have blizzard warning up through Ocean County. May it be pushed down through the coastal? I would hope so. The winds are going to increase, and there's even more issues even further where the snow occurred back here in Virginia, where I live, where we're going to have 30 to 40 mile an hour winds with the snow on the ground. Rules for ground blizzard type conditions. So we're going to have some interesting time. Let's go through a couple things here. Feeder weather underground is a visible satellite. You see this one low, the strengthening the low here. Here's the other piece of energy right here in central Virginia. This is all shifting now to this. This is called phasing and bombogenesis. This is bombing out and phasing at this time, and that's going to affect this whole area now with the most snow. Jersey Shore areas up through Boston, Mass. This thing bombs out, you will see this occur. Here's the latest image. This is via CBS 3 in Philadelphia. The heaviest snow right along the coastal regions, Ocean County, Burlington County, Atlantic County, Cumberland County, down through Cape May, down through southern Delaware. We're getting slammed right now in Long Island. All these areas getting slammed, and this is updating as we speak. As we speak, you see the frozen line still off the shore. That might push up into parts of the Long Island here. May even be close to the shore, and it's closer region here down towards the shore. Egg Harbor City, Ocean City, Atlantic City. These areas are getting heavy snow at this point in time. Here's our current surface map. We're down into the 990 region now. This thing's bombing out. Strong winds here starting to push on the Jersey Shore. And you see where this is at, and I'm going to add some things on top of this to show you some stuff. Here's our look at our maps here, and this is 850, and you can see you can see how the storm is bombing out at the current time. Here is a Rehoboth Beach camera, and we're hoping to get I don't know if it's going to do this. I wanted to get it's not going to work here. Because you can see the snow starting to come down. You can hardly see out there on the beach. And that's going to be what we're talking about, blizzard conditions. And I would stay in if you're going to stay in New Jersey. I wouldn't be surprised to get a state of emergency where you can't drive on the roads shortly. It would be smart. I know Virginia's under one. And like I said, this is accumulating snow on the beach here in Delaware. Well, here are synoptic maps. You can see the 984 low bombed off the Jersey Shore, heavy snow pushing back towards the shore. You see this thing moves up 974, 976 low when it gets off New York City, and that's going to continue to push that snow and blizzard-like conditions and blizzard conditions from Boston straight down through New York City, eastern New Jersey. And it continues on as this thing kind of stalls over the area in Boston for a little bit. That's where you're going to get hit really hard. 969 low. It comes off Maine. Blizzard conditions there also. This moves out, and guess what moves in? A nice high pressure. With all the snow, one other thing we have to watch out for, extreme warm-up at the end of the week, or we're going to get into the 50s. What that may do is melt the snow too quickly for runoff, which may cause flooding. Another issue we may have to look at by the end of this week. Okay. Another camera. This is Margate City, New Jersey. Beautiful image there as we speak. Here we go, Atlantic County Special Services School, Mays Landing, New Jersey. That's current image. Vineland. Here's another Vineland, New Jersey. At this current time. A few must-see blogs this hour. Mike DeFino, meteorologist Mike DeFino here. Here we go. He's drawing these images. I love when he does this, and he does this very well. Explains things very well. You know, chronogenic forcing in the layer, high snow ratios. He explains extremely well. So definitely take a look at his information. Another one is the chief meteorologist here at liveweatherblogs.com. That is Rob Guarino, and his information. You know, here we go. And this is Rob has a good snowfall total. A lot of people talking in the chat room about things. This thing will bomb out worse when it gets north. We do have to nowcast this, but his snow totals are going to be pretty accurate, especially when you get here. AC Metro, here we go. That's going to be very true. You're going to see that happen for sure. North Jersey and New York City, you know, here we go. This is all information that is going to occur. I mean, these are good totals. Do not downplay these totals at all. You guys know these areas. You know, this is Austin Doppler from Fox 29, and you can see where the snow is in the freezing line, and you can see heavier snow along the coastline. It's expanding out here towards Allentown right now. These are going to be your heaviest snowfalls right here. As this low cranks itself up. I just want to give you another vantage point and another radar. This is courtesy of Fox 29 in Philadelphia. Now, this snow goes from Massachusetts, Boston, all the way down through Virginia, and that's occurring at the current time as it's slow as it cranks stuff up. That was just another view that I want to give you. And another site from liveweatherblogs.com, meteorologist John Giampetro, is easyweather.com. He does his audio, his video blogs here, and go to the broadcast tab on easyweather.com, which is off of liveweatherblogs.com, from John Giampetro's latest information. So these are just some of the ones I'll keep an eye on here for the next for the remainder of the day. These are great blogs, and keep an eye on the blogs. Members, keep blogging, keep giving us your updated snow totals. We enjoy them. We want to see them. Current blog going on by the members. You know, hair, I like it. You know, vertically stacked. You know, wish casting by. These are webcams. Thank you for Hobie webcam. Irish must be pretty angry right now with his snowfall totals. Slam, you know, Doctooth. These are all and obviously we're having some issues that I'm going to have to get involved here with. But here's just ideas from our members here at liveweatherblogs.com. We enjoy you guys. Keep updating us, and we'll keep you posted here as meteorologists. From liveweatherblogs.com, this is meteorologist Dean Davison. I'll have an update later this afternoon. Have a great afternoon. Enjoy the snow, and be careful. Blizzard warning for Boston, New York City, and eastern New Jersey. Winter storm warning for the Philadelphia area. Have a great one.